Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to create a checkbox in our web page. Okay, checkbox is similar to the radio button that we did it in the last video. Okay, the only difference is we can select multiple boxes at same time. For example, suppose we want to ask which subjects are you interested in. Okay, then comes to create checkbox for option. So we use an input element tag again, setting the type equal to checkbox, and we do not worry about name attribute because it is server side code that discussion later. Then we can use label right after angular bracket, and here label means option. So our option will be Java, Math, C++, and Python. Okay, then save the file and refresh in browser. Then we can see we got a 4 option here. Okay, notice that we are selected what we want. Okay,